You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Now that we've covered the key components of a permanent trim lighting system, let's go over the tools installers use to complete a job safely and efficiently. Having the right tools makes installation smoother, cleaner, and safer. First, let's cover the tools used for cutting and mounting track. A 4-inch square is perfect for marking straight lines on the track. It's compact, making it easy to carry while working. Tin snips are great for making quick hand cuts when up on a ladder, allowing for easy adjustments without needing a saw. A miter saw with a metal blade provides precise, smooth cuts when working with larger track sections. A 25-foot tape measure is an everyday tool for layout, spacing, and making sure track and wiring measurements are accurate. Next, for wiring and electrical work. Wire strippers make it easy to strip back insulation and cut wires for clean connections. A voltmeter set helps check power levels and troubleshoot issues. A wire puller rod set makes it easier to run wires from the soffit into the attic or through other hard-to-reach areas, helping to hide wiring and complete jumps. Wire loom protects and neatly conceals wiring, giving the installation a clean, professional finish. For drilling and fastening, most tracks are mounted with small pan head screws or 1/4 to 5/15 inch metal screws for a secure hold. Tapcons are used to secure control boxes to block walls, while in garages, they can be mounted using longer general screws into studs or drywall anchors. A unibit set makes it easy to drill clean holes in different surfaces. A mini screwdriver is helpful for tightening small screws inside a control box. Cable clamps keep wiring secure and organized, preventing loose connections or exposed wires. Lastly, a tool belt keeps frequently used tools within reach, reducing trips up and down the ladder and improving efficiency. Using the right tools makes installation faster, easier, and more professional. Now that we've covered the tools needed for the job, let's move on to Module 3, Basic Wiring and Power Setup, where we'll go over proper wiring techniques and best practices for a reliable installation.